Guys, it's Laura. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a body gel. So usually we are all trying to moisturize our face, get some hyaluronic acid or some sort of moisturization on our face, but if you're like me, we tend to forget our body, and our body needs that same treatment as well. So I was looking recently into some kind of lotion for the body that was also going to have hyaluronic acid in it. And I was pleasantly surprised that I did find something. It was this Hydro Boost body gel from Neutrogena. Now, let me put this into perspective for you. I do not like lotion. I don't mind putting moisturizers and serums and makeup on my face all day long. But when it comes to my body, I do not like lotion. I don't like feeling greasy. I don't like having to feel like I can't touch anything or move anything for half an hour, 20 minutes, however long it's going to take for that to sink into the skin. I am not for. That is one thing that I was hoping this Hydro Boost would help me with, and thankfully it did. But let's start from the basics. This one is going to retail for $8.93 at Walmart. This is a 16-ounce bottle. To me, that's a good amount of product for that price. Now this one is going to absorb quickly into the skin. Again, I do not like that lotiony feeling being on my skin for long periods of time, so the fact that this one soaks in quickly is a major plus for me. Now the consistency of this one is, I get where they say gel, because it's not that lotiony feeling. This one feels a little bit thicker, not quite as creamy. And I do not notice any harsh smells with this one, which is amazing because a lot of times your lotions have pretty fragrant smells. This one does not have that. And again, this one does contain that hyaluronic acid, which is going to help your body retain moisture. Now this Hydro Boost is part of a larger lineup from Neutrogena. So let me read you some of the other products that they have in this lineup. They also have a Hydro Boost sunscreen, a moisturizer, a specific face moisturizer, a hyaluronic acid serum, an exfoliating facial cleanser, a hyaluronic acid cleansing gel, and a gel for extra dry skin. One thing I also wanted to note about this, if you have those dry caked feet, that where if you're like me and you wear sandals all the time, your feet get rough. Put some of this on your feet, put some socks on. It is going to work wonders for you. And again, it seeps in rather quickly, so you're not sitting there with that gooey, nasty feeling on your feet in between that and socks. So guys, have you ever tried this Hydro Boost body gel before? Let me know if you have, or if you decide to go to the store and pick it up, let me know how it works for you. Thank you for watching. If you are here at the end of this, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you can see all future videos. Feel free to go back and watch old videos. Hit the like button if you like this one. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time.